Hey guys, my name is Maisha. Welcome to my channel, and today's video is on my new skincare routine. Without further ado, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on my channel, and don't forget to turn your post notifications on so every time I post, you guys are notified. So without further ado, let's hop into this video. Right here, first thing first, I'm going to show my before picture of how my skin been looking horrible, and then I'm going to show you my after picture after I do this skincare routine.
Huh?
They say black don't crack, and it really don't when we actually take care of our skin. As you see, my skin looks bomb right here compared to how it did in that first picture. Okay, so at this part of the video, I'm going to be explaining what each product do. So I use Dove soap. I mostly use the sensitive skin one, but today I'm using the deep moisture one. And literally all you do is just wet your face and then clean it off with some soap. Because I realize when I don't do that, I get more pimples and stuff because my face isn't clean. And also you want to make sure that your hands is clean and not dirty, because all them bacteria and germs from touching the doorknob, touching the sink, the shower handle, etc., all of that is going on your face if your hands is not clean. So you want to make sure you always wash your hand before you touch your face. I like to use a charcoal base cleanser. This one that I'm using is by Biore. It's great for oily skin. It's called the Deep Pore Charcoal Cleanser by Biore. Charcoal is a common ingredient found in nature, and it's known for its ability to draw out impurities and trap them. What this product does, it draws out and traps 2 times more of dirt and impurities than basic cleanser, purifying pores to leave your face deeply clean and your skin tingly smooth. Pores are twice as clean just as once used, and it's made with natural charcoal. For the most part, you feel it within 1 minute of using it. You feel your face start to tingle and feel so refreshed. So I really do feel what it say on this bottle. So the next thing I use is Sea Breeze. I like to use that also when I'm removing my makeup and stuff, just to make sure I got all of the dirt off my face. This is just an extra thing, and it's the sensitive skin one. And I'm gonna see what it says. It says sensitive skin astringent is formulated with a special blend of cleansing and soft ingredients to help gently remove trapped oil and dirt, makeup, leaving your skin feeling refreshed and healthy looking. And this is an important part of the routine because it gets off that leftover dirt that might be lingering around on your skin. The product is A&D ointment, and it says it's for diaper rash, but I use it for my skin. It's good for like broken up pimples and shafts and all of that. And it's really just keep my face moisturized as well. Like sometimes I won't put on primer when I put on makeup, I'll just put on this, and it's really good for your skin. Notice that my skin is breaking out even more. I use this even more, and it just really helped clear my skin. I feel like ever since I've been using it that my skin has gotten like so much more clear. Okay, so it says its uses is for to treat and prevent diaper rash, which we all know. Temporarily protects minor cuts, scrapes, burns. Temporarily protects and relieve chapped shaft, cracked skin, lips. Well, that's cool. I didn't even know you could use it on your lips. Protect chapped skin due to diaper rash and wetness. So you're supposed to use this. You could use it for a diaper rash or stuff like that, like sores on your face. It always leaves my face feeling shiny and moisturized. Some people don't like that, but I like it. It does have like a smell, but it's not like a bad smell to me. I feel like it smells really good. And you see my face is really shiny right now. Overall, out of all the products that I mentioned, this is my favorite one. This next step is optional. You don't have to use this, but I choose to use a moisturizer just because it just helps hydrate my face even more. Let's use this moisturizer by Simple. It's a 12-hour moisturization. There's no perfume, no color, no old, nothing, no smell, nothing. It's for sensitive skin because I do have really sensitive skin. It says it's dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic, hypoallergenic. Says that it has no harsh chemicals that can hurt your skin. And then the ingredients at the back. I don't know if you can really see it, but yeah. That's pretty much the end of my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on my channel, and don't forget to turn your post notifications on so every time I post, you are notified.